In the kitchen today, we have Maribel.
Thank you, doctor, for inviting me.
Maribel, we have been speaking about breast cancer, early detection and prevention. And we know that healthy nutrition is one of the goals to prevent any cancer.
That is correct.
What do you have for us today in the kitchen?
We have something raw, like you all know. All our green vegetables are antioxidants, but they're very good at fighting cancers. Any type of cancer, not just breast cancer. So today we're cooking, or we're really not cooking, we're tossing a raw kale salad.
All right, go right ahead, Maribel.
Okay, we're gonna start by adding our kale. And you're gonna pick 2 bunches of kale, wash them 3 times at least, cut them, and the best recommendation that I have is not to put the veins. Not that we don't like them, but if the first time you try it, it might be a little bitter.
And sometimes the vein is hard as well.
That is correct, the texture of it. Then we're gonna go ahead and add 2 medium zucchinis, and the way you're gonna cut them is just along, or julienne.
Very good. All right. So you're using green vegetables. Green vegetables, as you say, are good for any cancer.
Any cancer.
Antioxidant, which means anti-cancer. Go ahead, Maribel.
We're going to proceed by adding celery. Another, even if it doesn't look that green, celery has been proven to be a wonderful anti-cancer fighting agent too. And it's also good for blood pressure, like we all know.
Very good.
We have a diced or chopped bell pepper. Gonna try to put them on the side so you can see all of that, and we will toss it at the end. Find yourself a small or half of an onion and also put it in there.
Very good.
We found some cherry tomatoes, at least 12, and go ahead and just cut them in halves.
And we have different colors, and remember, there are different vitamin minerals with each color vegetables.
Yes. What we're gonna do is add a little bit of protein, or our omegas, which are our nuts. And we have some pine nuts, and just drizzle them, and I'm gonna save some towards the end, and some chopped pecans. Save some for the end, and then we're gonna use the juice of 1 lemon and just squeeze it evenly around. And if you want to save the other half, like I saved my nuts, just to wait until after you toss it. Some of us need a little extra, and what would you recommend, Dr. Cooper? A little bit of...
Probably add a small amount of olive oil.
Correct.
But remember, you don't necessarily need the oil because you already have the nut. But if you need a little extra, then the olive oil is okay.
Olive oil. Or Mrs. Dash also. And it comes with either salt or salt-free. And you can add a little bit of Mrs. Dash depending if you need a little extra salt or seasoning on it. We will continue to add the last part of our nuts. Pine nuts.
And this is a very wholesome salad, as we say. You notice you have the nuts, which gives you your good fats. And of course, you have all the vegetables for the fiber, the minerals, and the phytonutrients. All right, Maribel, I think that's going to be very delicious.
It is, doctor.
All right. So, Maribel, I recommend this to anyone who wants to live a happy, healthy, and longer life. And for more recipes, visit our website, www.gethealthywithdrcooper.tv.